Okay, so please children, open chapter number 6. What we will learn today? We will learn about the animal babies. Okay, we will learn about the animal babies. Read the following clues and fill the crossword with the help of a given picture. Okay, children, look at the screen. Look at the screen, everyone. They are not well. Okay. See, can you see? Look at this picture and write the name. What is this? This is, can you see here? This is a small bird-like animal. What we call this? We call this, what we call it? Can anyone tell me? Raise your hand. Yes, Aharnish. Tell me what is this? Which animal baby is this?
Ma'am, this is a duck.
This is a duckling. So this is the baby of duck. What we call it? Duckling. Yes, duckling. We call it duckling. Now look here. This is the baby of cow. What we call it? Baby of cow? Calf. Okay, we call it calf.
And this is a cow.
Yes, the third one. Tell me, Dipayan. What we call the baby of dog? We call it puppy. Yes.
Ma'am, puppy.
Yes. Now see the fourth one. What we call this beautiful bird-like animal? We call it the baby of hen. We call it chick.
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 Okay. Now see, you can see here. What is this? What we call this? This is the baby of goat. We call it kid. Okay. What we call it? Kid.
Kid.
This is a baby goat. Okay. Now see the next one. A baby horse. What we call a baby horse? Can anyone tell me what we call a baby horse? Yes, Prakriti, tell me. What we call a baby?
Foal. Foal.
Foal. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you tell me what we call a baby eagle? Eaglet. Yes. Eaglet. Very good.
Eagle.
What we call a baby cat? What we call? Kitten.
Kitten. Kitten.
Kitten. What we call a baby duck?
Duckling. Goosling. Goosling.
A baby goose. Yes, gooseling. Okay. Now see, what is what we call baby sheep? A baby sheep?
Lamb. 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 LMB.
Yes,
Lamb.
Very good, children. Very nice. So, we call a baby duck duckling. Okay.
Duckling.
We call a baby cow calf. We call a baby dog puppy.
Puppy.
We call a baby hen chick.
Chick.
We call a baby goat kid.
Kid.
And we call a baby horse foal.
Foal.
We call a baby eagle eaglet.
Eagle.
Yes, we call a baby cat
Kitten.
kitten. We call a baby goose
Goosling.
Yes.
Goosling.
We call a baby sheep.
Lamb.
Yes, very good. Very good, children. Okay. Now I will take your revision. Open chapter number 9. Okay. This is a revision chapter which will come in your essay 1. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Chapter number 9. Mark this one. This is a revision.
Ma'am, chapter 11, our diet.
Yes. Chapter number 9 and chapter number 11. Okay. No, just tell me. I will take your revision this one. Human body. Now tell me all of you. Just wait, I will unmute everyone first.
Ma'am, first one is brain.
Just wait, I will ask first. The dash is one of the largest and most complex organs in the human body. It is made up of more than 100 billion nerves.
Membrane.
Called synapses.
Membrane.
Yes.
Membrane.
Number 2, human dash, just like the heart, are protected by the rib cage.
Lungs.
Lungs.
Lungs. Lungs.
Number 3, just please behave properly, children. The dash begins beating at 4 weeks after conception.
Heart.
Number 4, our dash looks like a reddish brown wedge with 2 different
Liver. Liver.
Very good. Number 5, the dash is a part of digestive system.
Stomach.
Stomach. The dash, number 6, the dash filter waste products out of our blood.
Kidneys. Kidney.
Number 7,
Kidney.
dash is the human body's largest organ.
Skin. Skin.
Number 8, dash is the strongest organ of human body.
Humor.
Very good. You all remember.
Humor.
Very good, children. Very good. Okay, very good, children. Now all of you open chapter number 11. Okay, all of you open chapter number 11. Okay. So chapter number 11 is our diet. Okay, we will learn something new about our diet. We need food to survive. So to survive, what we need food. Okay, otherwise if we will not get food, we will die. So to survive, we need food. Diet denotes all the substances. Children, listen to me very carefully. Okay, diet denotes all the substances which we eat and which are essential for the growth and maintenance of our body. So what is diet? Diet denotes all the substances which we eat and which are essential for the growth and maintenance of our body. One needs to eat according to one's activities and age. So one needs to eat according to the activities and age. What is balanced diet? A balanced diet provides all the essential constituents necessary for growth and maintenance of the body. So a balanced diet is something which provides all the essential constituents necessary for growth and maintenance of the body and should contain them in adequate quantities. Balanced diet should always be we should contain them in adequate quantities. The ratio between proteins, fats and carbohydrates should be 1:1:4. Okay, the ratio should be 1:1:4. The food should be easily digestible. What the food should be? The food should be easily digestible. And now listen, what are the kinds of food? The kinds of foods are carbohydrates. What are carbohydrates? They maintain the temperature of the body. The carbohydrates maintain the temperature of the body and provide about, Shahzad, sit properly. Keep your camera in one position. Yes. Now, what is carbohydrate? They maintain the temperature of the body and provide about half of the required energy. So, carbohydrate always maintains the temperature of our body and provide us about half of the required energy. Energy is produced by the burning of sugar. So energy is produced by the burning of sugar. It is found in potatoes, rice, wheat, sugar, honey, starch, etc. So from where do we get carbohydrate? In which food we get carbohydrate? Potatoes. Potatoes contains carbohydrate. Rice also contain carbohydrate. Wheat contain carbohydrate. Okay, sugar, honey, starch. These all contains carbohydrates. Now we will talk about this. This was about the carbohydrate. Okay, now we will learn about proteins. What is protein? Protein helps the body to grow. Protein, what it helps? It helps the body to grow. Their absence causes weakness. If we will not, if our body there is a lack of protein in our body, what we will find? We will see there will be weakness in us. Okay, the absence of protein causes weakness. Its main sources are means eggs. Okay, eggs, because eggs contains lots of proteins. Meat also contain lots of proteins. Beans contain proteins. Pulses, fish, etc. So these all food items contain lot of proteins, and we should consume them in our daily diet. Okay, for a good protein we should eat eggs, meat, beans, pulses, fish, etc. Okay, now we will come to the third one, fats. Okay, fats are better sources of energy which are produced by burning their. Okay, so what are fats? Fats are better sources of energy which are produced by burning. Fats are something which are produced by burning. Their deficiency cause various diseases. Okay, if we will have the deficiency of fat, what it will cause? It will cause various diseases. While excess is stored beneath the skin, if we will have excess fat in us, it is stored beneath the skin. Okay, it is chiefly found in oils, nuts, butter, ghee, etc. So where we can find the fat? In which food items? Like oils, nuts, butter, ghee, etc. Okay, these all food items contain fats. Now we will talk about the vitamins. Okay, vitamins are organic substances and are essential for the growth of the body. So vitamins are very necessary for us, and it is very essential for the growth of our body. Their deficiency cause various sicknesses and stunt growth. Okay, there are many kinds of vitamins and they perform various functions. The chief sources of these vitamins are, so how many vitamins we can see here? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So vitamin A, what are the sources? Vitamin A we can find in oils, eggs, green vegetables. Okay, so for the vitamin A we should always consume green vegetables, eggs, oils. Vitamin B, yeast, green vegetables, cereals. Vitamin B, vitamin B1, okay, and vitamin B2, milk, butter, cereals, vegetables. Vitamin C we can find in vegetables, fruits, and lemons. Vitamin D we can find in milk and butter. Okay, for stronger bones we should eat milk and butter. Vitamin E, okay, is we can find in cereals, vegetables, eggs. And vitamin K we can find in green vegetables. So all these vitamins are very essential for the growth of our body because they perform various functions, okay, in our body. Okay, children, so all of you finished? All of you understood? Yes, Shahzad, have you understood? Have you understood about the vitamins?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me what is carbohydrate?
What, ma'am?
What is carbohydrate?
They maintain temperature of the body and provide about half of the required energy.
Yes, very good. Yes, Dipayan. Very good, Shahzad.
Thank you.
Dipayan, unmute yourself. Okay, Tafim, tell me what is protein? Tafim,
Yes, ma'am.
what is protein?
Let the body grow.
What is protein?
Yes, ma'am. I am Dipan.
Body to grow.
Yes.
Their absence causes weakness. Its main sources are eggs, meat, beans, pulses, fish, etc.
Okay, very good, Tafim.
Yes, ma'am. I am Dipan.
Yes, Dipayan. What is protein, Dipayan?
Yes, ma'am. Protein helps the body to grow. And their absence cause weakness.
Weakness.
Their defining cause various disease. while excess is stored
No.
when
Okay.
the
And
skin.
protein helps the body to grow. Okay. Their absence causes weakness. And what are the main sources of protein? Where we get it? In which food item we get?
Egg, meat, bean,
Pulses,
fish.
fish. Yes, very good, Dipan. Okay. Okay, Rit, what is the balanced diet?
Man, how many vitamin are there?
See, it is mentioned there, vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Okay. Yes, Rit, what is balanced diet?
Fat.
What is a balanced diet? Balanced diet. See, you can see here, balanced diet. Balanced diet provides, what balanced diet provides? See the balanced diet.
Diet provides all the essential constants
Essential constituents
necessary for growth and maintenance of the body,
maintenance of the body.
and should contain, they means
Adequate
adequate the ratio.
quantities. Okay, adequate quantities.
The ratio between protein,
Fat,
fats, and
carbohydrate,
carbohydrate should be 1:4.
1:4. Okay. Okay, Rit, very good.
And ma'am,
Yes.
I have one doubt.
Yes.
Chapter number 3. Carb, eaten.
Chapter number?
What is C?
Chapter number 6. Yes. Tell me.
This is not completed.
Which one?
Yes.
Okay, that is duckling. Okay.
Okay.
Which one? Which baby animal you are talking about? About which baby animal?
I say, look, that
Yes, Rit. Okay, calf. The baby cow, we call it baby cow, calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Okay. What we call a baby cow? We call it a calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Okay, Rit.
and তো দি এটা কি হবে?
Which one?
এইটা কি হবে তাহলে?
Chick. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. Okay.
CHICK. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. I will upload in the study material. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Prakriti.
Fat.
Prakriti, what is fats? Read. Fats. Tell me about the fats. Fats are
Fat are better sources of our energy, which are
produced by burning. Their deficiency cause. Okay, Prakriti. Okay. Various diseases. Okay. Okay, Prakriti. Good. Yes, Arhad. What is fats, Arhad?
Fats are better source of energy which are produced by burning. Their deficiencies cause various diseases, while excess is stored beneath the skin. It is chiefly found on oil, nuts, butter, and ghee.
Okay, very good, Arhad. Yes. Yes, Tapanna.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we should memorize of this vitamins, chief sources.
Yes. Arhan, say loudly.
Memorize the vitamins, chief sources.
Yes. Yes, you should. You should, because these are very important. Vitamins and their
Okay,
chief
ma'am.
sources. Okay. Yes, Saptapanna. And you will learn all the definitions here, like balanced diet. What is balanced diet? What are the kinds of food I will ask for? What are the kind of foods, and what are the definitions of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and their chief sources. Okay. Yes. Yes, Aratrika.
Ma'am.
Aratrika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell you? Ma'am, can I tell you?
Yes,
What
yes,
is
Saptapanna. Saptapanna, wait. Yes, tell me about the vitamins. Vitamins, tell me, Aritrika, what are the vitamins?
vitamins are organic substance and are essential for the growth of the body.
After that, there,
Their deficiencies cause various sickness and stunt growth. There are many kinds of vitamins and they perform various functions. The chief source of the vitamins are
vitamin A, what we get, what are the chief sources of vitamin A?
oil, eggs, green vegetables.
Okay, Aritrika, very good. Now, Saptapanna, tell me what are the chief sources of vitamin B?
Yes, ma'am. Tell.
What are the chief sources of vitamin B?
Milk and butter.
Vitamin B1, B1, vitamin B1.
Ma'am,
Yeast,
vitamin B. Ma'am, vitamin B is green vegetables, cereals, vitamin G is milk and butter.
very good, Saptapanna. Okay, mute yourself. Very nice. Now tell me, Tanveer, what are the chief sources of vitamin C? What are the chief sources of vitamin C?
Lemon. Lemon.
Yes.
Ma'am, vegetable.
Vegetables, lemon. Very good, Tanveer, very good. Okay, yes, Sweeney. What are the chief sources of vitamin D? Sweeney, Vanna. Unmute yourself. Sweeney, why you're not sitting in your own place?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when I'm taking your class, please don't go anywhere without my permission. Sit properly in your position, okay? What are the sources of vitamin D?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
What is the chief sources of vitamin D? I'm telling you, when I'm taking the classes, don't go here and there. Sit in your position, okay? What is the sources of vitamin D? Vinit, can you hear me? Okay, Srinit, let it be. Yes, Priyam. Priyam, what is the sources of vitamin D? What is the chief sources of vitamin D? Priyam, can you hear me?
No, ma'am.
What is the chief sources of vitamin D? What is the chief sources of vitamin D? Okay, let it be. Yes, Aharnish. Aharnish. What is the chief sources of vitamin D?
What, ma'am?
What is the chief sources of vitamin D?
Vitamin D. Milk and butter.
Okay, very good. Mute yourself. Yes, Anindya and Abhinaba. What is the chief sources of vitamin E?
What, ma'am?
What is the chief sources of vitamin E?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes, I know there is a lot of
Ma'am.
network problem today. I'm telling you what is the chief sources of vitamin E.
Ma'am, milk and butter.
Vitamin E. After that, vitamin D, what comes? Vitamin E. What is the chief sources of vitamin E?
Ma'am, cereals, vegetables and eggs.
Okay, very good, very good. What happened, Aratrika? Why you requesting to approve? Don't send me this. Okay. Now listen to me, children. Yes, Sampurna. What are the chief sources of vitamin K? Serin, tell me, and Sampurna. What are the chief sources of vitamin K? Yes, green vegetables. So these are the essential vitamins. Okay. Vitamin A, what the chief sources are: oils, eggs, green vegetables. Vitamin B1, yeast, green vegetables, cereals.
Green vegetable cereal.
Okay, vitamin B2, milk, butter, cereals, vegetables.
Butter.
Okay, vitamin C, vegetables, fruits, and lemons. Vitamin D, milk and butter. Vitamin E,
Butter.
cereals, vegetables, and eggs.
Simple vegetable. Egg.
Vitamin K, green vegetables.
Egg, green
Okay.
vegetable.
Yes. So you all will learn all the definitions of the diet, balanced diet, kinds of food like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins. You will all learn the definition of everything. Okay. And the vitamins, you will learn about the sources. What are their chief sources? You will learn everything. Okay, children? Okay. Just wait.
Vitamin A.
Now turn the page, children, all of you.
Eat vegetable.
Now turn the page, or if you can see here, food etiquette. What is this? Chapter number 12, food etiquette. Write G for good table manners and B for the bad table manners. Now can you see here? Just wait. See, come to the table with clean hands and pay. Is it good table manners or bad table manners? Tell me.
Ma'am, good table manner.
Table manners. Yes. Yes, very good, children. Good table manners. Very nice. Now see the next one. Chew with your mouth closed and don't talk until you have swallowed. Is this a good
Ma'am, it is
manners or
good
bad
table manner.
good table manners?
Good table manners.
Okay, right, G. Aritrika, answer me. Don't make rude noises like burping or slurping. This is a good table manners or bad table manners?
Bad table manners.
Oh, but what you will
Bad
write?
table manners.
But what you will write? Don't make rude noises like burping or slurping. This is a good table manner because we have to answer this. Okay, because we should. This is correct. The statement is correct because we should always. We should not make any rude noises like blurping or slurping while eating. Okay. So write G for it. It is all right to lick your fingers to clean any food on them. This is a good table manners or bad table manners?
Good table manners.
Bad.
Table manners.
Ma'am, bad table manners.
Yes, write B. Aratrika, unmute yourself. Now see, reach out for something you want instead of asking someone to pass it. Okay, this is a good table manners or bad?
Good table manners.
Bad table manners.
Table manners, because we should ask someone. Okay.
Bad table manners.
Yes. Now see here, once you finish eating, place the napkin neatly to the right of the plate. This is a good table manners or bad table manners?
Table manners.
Good table manners.
Ma'am, good table manners. Good table manners.
Okay. Now see, it is nice to wait till everyone has been served and then start eating. Good table manners or bad table manners?
Good table manners.
Manners. Now see the next one. Always say thank you when served. It is absolutely a good table manner. Okay.
Good table manners.
Always thanks to the one who serves us. Okay. Now see, never gobble food. Take your time and enjoy the meal. So this is also a good table manner.
Good table manners.
Okay. Now see the next one. It is rude to lean on elbows on the table. The forearms should rest on the table while eating. So this is a good table manners or bad table manners? Good table manners because it is rude.
Ma'am, good table manners.
Yes, the forearms should rest on the table while eating. Now see, if you don't like the food, shout loudly. Is it correct or wrong?
Bad table
Bad
manners.
table manners.
Yes, bad table manners because we should not shout. Okay. Now see the next one. Thank your host or whoever prepared the meal. Yes, it is absolutely a good
Good table manners, ma'am.
thank the host. Yes, so these are the correct answer. Okay. Everyone finish this one. The first one is
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have finished.
Very good. Chew with your mouth closed and don't talk until you have swallowed. Good table manners. Don't make rude noises like burping or slurping. Good table manners. It is all right to lick your fingers to leave any food on them. Bad table manners. Reach out for something you want instead of asking someone to pass it. Bad table manners. Once you finish eating, place the napkin neatly to the right of the plate. Good table manners. It is nice to wait till everyone has been served and then start eating. Good table manners. I always say thank you when served. Good table manners. Never gobble food. Take your time and enjoy the meal. Good table manners. It is rude to lean on elbows on the table. The forearms should rest on the table while eating. Good table manners. If you don't like the food, shout loudly. It is bad table manners.
Bad
Thank
table manners.
or whoever prepared the meal, it is good table manners. Okay.
Good table manners.
So all of you have finished. Just show me, children, all your work. Just show me, everyone. Show me, children. Show me your book, everyone.
Ma'am, see?
Yes, very good, Arhad. Very good, Saptapanna. Show me, Aratrika. Very good, everyone.
Ma'am, see?
Yes, Adil, show me. Have you completed? Aratrika, show me your book. Yes, Shahzad, very good.
ma'am.
Aratrika, show me your work.
And see, my name is Sheikh Arad Islam.
Very good, Arhad. Very nice. Yes, Shahzad, show me. Very good. Yes, Tafim. Yes, Aharnish. Where are you? Show me. Sambuna, very good. Adrija, show me your book, everyone. Yes, very nice. Very good. Very good, Aharnish. Yes, Tanvi.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes.
I'm Audrey.